Hello, this is Diego Custode for the assignment in this week. We created this week the website for the university, in this case Rimorian University. So we show here what is our website. We search name. We can save. Okay. Can sort out the last name or the enrollment date. You can search for next or previous page. Alright, so we can go to the home. We can find instructors. Can receive, or we can see many instructors here. We can show somebody this one, so we can see he don't have any. Alright, he, for example, select his teacher in the trigonometry. You can see if he have some student in his course as well. We could edit something. The date when he was enrollment. It's not this year, maybe next year that. Okay. Continue with this. We could see all the courses we have. As well, we're going to edit this and this that. So can delete as well. And the other thing is the courses. What is here? Details. Edit. The range for this was the 0 and 9. So we can take this row. Alright. And we can see departments as well. Let's try to do concurrence. No. And here. At the same time, can to change something. Save this. Here, change everything. Oh, we can change this value because it was updated in another page. So this is done. We want to continue, save is in our back list. Okay, and this is the number of the student was the enrollment. So this is our homepage. Thank you for watching.